Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be learning how to draw some mushrooms. Okay, so to start with, we are going to have a horizontal format here. And we're going to start with two little lines coming down like that. And then we're going to draw a line underneath that kind of looks like this. And then we're going to draw some wiggly lines coming down, wiggly lines coming down, and they're going to get farther apart as they come down. Okay, now for the cap. So we're going to start, and I'm trying really hard not to be perfect here. I want it to be organic. Okay, and then we're going to draw line coming up, and then we've got the bottom here, like so, and then we're going to have these lines coming out, like that, and then we're going to have some dots on here. Just for some texture. Okay, so there is one, and then we'll draw the bottom of it, just kind of coming around, creeping around. Okay, now for the second one. It's going to be over here. It's going to be a little bit shorter. So we're going to start right here. And this one is just going to have its little thing underneath, like that. And then we're going to have line coming down, wiggling around here like that, because it's a mushroom. Don't make them perfect. All right, and then we're going to have the front of the cap here, the back of the cap here, and it's going to kind of all the way around. Put some little dots on it. There we go. Now we're gonna draw the one in back. The one in back is gonna be really tall. So to start with, we're gonna draw a line coming down. There's its little thing for whatever type mushroom this is. I'm not sure what this is called. And then it's coming down, 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 and out. We've got another line coming down, 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 and out. And then it comes around like so. And then we have another line coming up. And then the cap is going to start right up here. It's going to be nice and big. This is the king mushroom, or the queen, whatever. And then it's going to come around. And then we've got the back of it like so. And then this, and then since this is up higher, you can see under it more. Whereas this one's lower, so you don't see that stuff, whatever that's called. I'm not a mushroom expert, so I don't know. Okay, and then we could also have some dots on this guy here. There we go. Maybe have some texture lines coming down. And then let's put a little ground back here, because the ground's really important, because mushrooms are an organic thing. And then we could have some grasses growing around, just some suggestion of grasses, because you know, we don't want to leave them out in the middle of nowhere. You gotta be surrounded by their grass friends. Just do some little wispies. Try not to be perfect, please. Try not to be perfect here. All right, and then we'll put a little more value in with color, and there you go. There are some mushrooms. Yeah, maybe have a little texture here. that looks better. It needed some texture. It was kind of bleh. There we go. Oh yeah. Now these lines are kind of going like this, whereas this line's kind of going like this up here. All right, and then as it comes down, it's gonna kind of head down too, like the other ones. Oh yeah, that's much better. All right, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.